Brain development of the human embryo. Let's start at the beginning of when the neural tube forms. What is in blue here on the illustration is a representation of the ectoderm, which is going to form the neural tube. The embryonic disc is folding in on itself to create this tube. Here you can see the neural fold as well as the early formation of somates. The neural tube continues to fuse together. The unfused regions of the neural tube are known as the cranial and caudal neopores. Today we're going to focus on the cranial neuropore, as this is where the brain develops. Even before the closure of the cranial neuropore at 24 days gestation, some fundamental subdivisions in the early nervous system can be recognized. This includes the spinal cord, the rhodencephalon, the mesencephalon, and the prosencephalon. By the 5th week, the original 3-part brain has become subdivided further into 5 parts. This includes the spinal cord, the myelencephalon, the metencephalon, the mesencephalon, the diencephalon, and the telencephalon. The early embryonic brain continues to grow and to develop. These subdivisions of the early embryonic brain are the foundations that will develop into the complexities of the human brain. This flowchart breaks down the structures that are formed from early cranial development. All of this is amazingly done quite early in gestation. The neural tube is at 3 weeks, the 4 subdivisions at 4 weeks, the 6 subdivisions at 5 weeks, and the 14 subdivisions at 6 weeks. Now let's take a look at the views of the developing brain from a medial view. We have 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, and 9 months. Simply stunning. Let's see that again. 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, and 9 months. Now let's label some parts of the brain. We have the medulla, the pons, the cerebral aqueduct, the massa intermedia, the corpus callosum, the pineal body, and the cerebellum. That is some very impressive development and formation from a simple neural tube. It's not so simple after all. Watching the brain development